When you start out managing your Terraria server with other active players, you'll soon realize there are many important admin tools missing. TShock is a server software management tool that adds a ton of missing features to your server management flow. It also supports other plugins as well, so you can customize your server to your heart's content. So today, in this video, we're going to cover how to install and set up TShock on your Terraria server. TShock for Terraria is only a server-side modification, so you don't need to do any local installations to get it working. Start off by navigating to your server's control panel. Go ahead and stop your server. Scroll down to the server type section. Select the drop-down menu where it says Terraria and then select the TShock option. Now go ahead and start your server back up. Head over to your server console next. Wait a bit for your world to fully generate. Once your new world has been generated, a setup code will be listed in your console. This is most likely the only time you'll interact with your backend server console, as TShock is only accessible through the in-game chat box. In the console, look for a line that says /setup with a list of 7 or so numbers. Copy or write down this set of numbers because you're going to need it to set up TShock on your server. Fire up Terraria, then log into your server. Press enter to open up the chat text box, which is essentially the command console for TShock. Here is where you type in /setup and the 7-digit number like so. A notification will pop up if the setup code works that says temporary system access has been given, create a permanent account. Now you will input a second command, /user, add a username of your choosing, then the password with owner at the end. Make sure you remember this login, as you will need to input them each time you want to use TShock on your server. The username and password don't need to match your Terraria character's name or the server password. They can just be anything. Lastly, you will need to log in with that username you just created. Type into the chat console /login with your username and password like so. This is the last step, so you can now use TShock on your Terraria server. Thank you again for sticking with us to the end. If this video was helpful, please consider dropping a like, subscribing, or commenting on the video. This is Justin from Shockbyte, and we will see you next time.